Hi children, good morning. Today class is a structure of PCl5. Yesterday we have discussed hybridization. Yesterday we have discussed hybridization. Hybridization only involving of s orbital and p orbitals. S orbitals and p orbitals. These are can be classified into three types. First one sp, second one sp2, third one sp3 hybridization. These three topics are discussed in yesterday class. Today class is a structure of PCl5. This is a one type of hybridization. This is a one type of hybridization. This hybridization involving of s orbital and p orbital and d orbitals. This hybridization only involving of s orbital and p orbital can be classified into three types. Yesterday I have discussed. Next one, hybridization is involved s orbital and p orbitals and d orbitals. These are explain the structure of p-safe. These are two types. First one sp3 dehybridization. Second one sp3 d2 hybridization. These are can be classified into two types. First one sp3 dehybridization. Second one sp3 d2 hybridization. First of all, you discussed sp3 dehybridization. This is a first one. And also structure of PCl5 or explain the sp3 dehybridization. sp3 dehybridization. The definition of sp3 dehybridization. First of all, one s orbital and three p orbitals and one d orbitals combines to form 5 sp3 dehybridized orbitals are present is called sp3 dehybridization. sp3 dehybridization. One s orbital and three p orbitals, one d orbitals overlapped to form 5 sp3 dehybridized orbitals are formed is called sp3 dehybridization. For example, sp3 dehybridization example is a PCl5. Example is a PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride. First of all, first point is a in PCl5. In PCl5, central atom is a phosphorus. Central atom is a phosphorus. Second one, phosphorus atomic number. Phosphorus atomic number 15. Atomic number 15. Third one, phosphorus electronic configuration. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p3 and 3d0. 3d 0. 3d 0 is a this hybridization involving s orbital, p orbital and d orbital due to electronic configuration of phosphorus 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3, 3d 0. Atomic number of phosphorus 15. How many electrons in configuration? 2, 4, 10, 12 and 13. 3d is a 0. In this electronic configuration, 3s, 3p, 3d is a outermost orbital. Outermost orbital. Due to configuration of 3s in 2 electron and 3p in 3 electrons and 3d in 0 electrons. 0 electrons. First of all, in PCl5, central atom is a phosphorus. Next one, phosphorus atomic number 15. Next one, phosphorus electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3, 3d 0. 3s in 2 electron, 3p in 3 electron, 3d in no electron, 0 electron of 3d orbitals. And next one, phosphorus first excited state electronic configuration. Excited state electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6, 3s1 and 3p3 and 3d 0. 3d 0. In first excited state of phosphorus, the moving of one electron 3s orbital to 3d orbital. 3s orbital to 3d orbital. The moving of one electron 3s orbital to 3d orbital due to 3s in only one electron and 3p in only 3 electrons and 3d in only 1 electron. 3d in only 1 electron. 3d in only 1 electron. This is a phosphorus first excited state electronic configuration. Due to phosphorus s orbital in 1 electron, p orbitals in 3 electrons and d orbital in 1 electron. Totally sp3d hybridization. sp3d hybridization. And also in PCl5, 5 chlorines are present. 5 chlorines are present in p orbital. In p orbitals, 5 electrons are overlapped with 5 sp3d hybridized orbital. 5 sp3d hybridized orbitals to form 5 sigma sp3d hybridized d and p bonds are present. Once again listen me. In PCl5, 5 chlorines are present. In chlorine in p orbitals, 5 electrons. In chlorine p orbitals, 5 electrons overlapped with 5 sp3d hybridized orbitals. Due to this one, 5 electrons overlapped with 5 sp3d hybridized orbital. 5 electrons overlapped with 5 sp3d hybridized orbital to form 5 sigma sp3d p p bonds are present. It is a structure of PCl5. The structure is a phosphorus. How many chlorines are present? 5 chlorines are present. This is a first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. This is a 1 chlorine, 1 chlorine, 1 chlorine, 1 chlorine, and 1 chlorine. This is a trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal structure. This is a normal structure and also orbital structure. Phosphorus, first orbital, and second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. This is a 1 p orbital, another p orbital, and another p orbital, and p orbital, and p orbital. Totally, how many sigma sp3d bonds are present? 5 sigma sp3d p bonds are present. This is a 1 sigma sp3d p bonds. This is a 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 sigma sp3d p bonds are present. This structure is a trigonal bipyramidal structure. This is a structure of PCl5, or explain the sp3d hybridization. The question forming of in exam, structure of PCl5 or explain the sp3d hybridization. Once again listen me. 1 s orbital, 3 p orbital, 1 d orbitals contains to form 5 sp3d hybridized orbitals are present is called sp3d hybridization. The examples of sp3d hybridization, PCl5. In PCl5, central atom is a phosphorus. Central atom is a phosphorus. Next one, phosphorus atomic number 15. Atomic number 15. And third one, phosphorus electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3, and 3d0. 3s in 2 electrons, 3p in 3 electrons, 3d in 0 electron. There is no electrons of 3d orbitals. Next one, phosphorus first excited state electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, 3p3, and 3d1. The first excited state of phosphorus, the moving of one electron in 3s orbital to 3d orbital. 3s orbital to 3d orbital. It is a first excited state of phosphorus electronic configuration. And also in phosphorus PCl5, 5 chlorines are present. 5 chlorines are present in chlorine p orbital. In chlorine p orbitals, 5 electrons. How many electrons? 5 electrons overlapped with 5 sp3d hybridized orbitals to form 5 sigma sp3d p bonds are present. This is a structure of PCl5. This is a general structure of PCl5. Shape is a trigonal bipyramidal shape. This is a orbital shape, orbital structure. This also sp3d hybridization and trigonal bipyramidal structure. This is a structure of PCl5 or explain the sp3d hybridization. Next to second one. Structure of SF6 or sp3d D2 hybridization. Structure of SF6 or sp3 D2 hybridization. First of all, how many s orbitals involving? 1 s orbital and 3 p orbitals and 2 d orbitals combines to form 6 sp3 d2 hybridized orbitals are present. 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals, 2 d orbitals overlap or intermixing to form 6 sp3 d2 hybridized orbitals are present is called sp3 d2 hybridization. In sp3 d2 hybridization, example is a SF6. Example is a SF6. First one, example is a SF6. Sulfur hexafluoride. First point. Same as it is in PCl5. In SF6 central atom is a sulfur. Central atom is a sulfur. Next one. Sulfur atomic number 16. Atomic number 16. Next one. Sulfur electronic configuration. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p4 and 3d0. 3d0. Sulfur atomic number is a 16. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4 and 3d0. How many electrons calculated? 2, 4, 10, 12, 16. Sulfur atomic number 16. Both are equal. Next one. This is a outermost orbital. 3s in how many electrons? 2 electrons. 1 and 2. And 3p in how many electrons? 4 electrons. This is a 1 and 2 and 3. Third one, opposite direction. Both 2 electrons in one subshell, opposite direction. And 3d0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3d0. It is a sulfur electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4 and 3d0. 3d0. 3s in 2 electrons, 3p in 4 electrons, 3d in 0 electrons. And next one. Sulfur first excited state electronic configuration. electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6, 3s2, 3p3 and 3d1. 3d1. In phosphorus first excited state electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3 and 3d1. The moving of one electron, sulfur first excited state and 3p orbital to 3d orbital. 3p orbital to 3d orbital. First of all, 3s in how many electrons? 2 electrons. And 3p in how many electrons? 3 electrons. 1, 2 and 3. And 3d in how many electrons? 1 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3d in 1 electron. 1 electron. Total you have calculated S1, P3, D1. Only sp3d hybridization. But you have discussed sp3, D2 hybridization. And next one, sulfur second excited state electronic configuration. Excited state electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6, 3s1 and 3p3 and 3d2. 3d2. In sulfur second excited state, the moving of one electron 3s orbital to 3d orbital. 3s orbital to 3d orbital due to electronic configuration 3s1, 3p3 and 3d2. In 3s in 1 electron and 3p in 3 electrons and 3d in how many electrons? 2 electrons. 2 electron. Totally S P3 and D2. sp3 D2 hybridization. This is a structure of SF6 or sp3d2 hybridization. In phosphorus in SF6, 2 excited states are present. First excited state, the moving of one electron 3p orbital to 3d orbital. And second excited state, one electron moving of 3s orbital to 3d orbital. Due to this is a 3s orbital in 2 electrons. 3s orbital in 2 electron and 3p orbital in 4 electron. 3p orbital in 4 electron. In s subshell, 1 or 2 electrons is a stable configuration. 1 or 2 electrons is a stable configuration. In p orbital, 3 or 6 electrons is a stable configuration. 3 or 6 electrons is a stable configuration. Due to, first of all, the removing of one electron in 3p orbital. Removing of one electron in 3p orbital easily removed. Easily removing of 3p orbital to 3d orbital. In 3p orbitals, how many electrons? 3 electrons. 3 electron is a stable configuration. And second excited state. Second excited state, 3s orbital to 3d orbital. These 1 electrons are lost. Totally s orbital only 1 electron. 1 electron is a stable configuration. 1 electron is a stable configuration. And structure. Structure is a sulfur first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and sixth one. This is a distracted octahedral. Distracted octahedral structure. This is a general structure of the SF6, and also sulfur, first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and sixth one. How many sigma bonds are present in SF6? 5 fluorine atoms are present. 5 fluorine atoms are present in p orbital. In p orbital overlapped with 6 sp3d 2 hybridized orbitals to form 5 6 sigma sp3 d2 p bonds are present. In fluorine atom 6 fluorines are present. In fluorine p orbitals 6 electrons overlapped with 6 sp3d2 hybridized orbital to form 6 sigma sp3d2 p bonds are present. This is a orbital structure. First p orbital, second one, and third one, fourth one, fifth one, and sixth one. This is a sigma sp3 d2 p bond. This is a sigma sp3 d2 p bond. This is a sigma sp3 d2 p bonds. This is a sigma sp3 d2 p bonds. This is a sigma sp3 d2 p bonds. This is a sigma sp3 d2 p bonds are present. This is a destructed octahedral structure. This is a structure of PCl5 or explain the sp3d2 hybridization. Once again listen me. 1 s orbital, 3 p orbital, 2 d orbital overlap to form 6 sp3 d2 hybridized orbitals are formed. sp3 d2 hybridization. Example is a SF6. In SF6, central atom is a sulfur. Central atom is a sulfur, and sulfur atomic number 16. Atomic number 16. And sulfur electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4, and 3d0.